Hi all, today we are diving into something really cool, combo charts. They are like supercharts that help us tell stories with our data. If you're curious about numbers and making them look awesome, you are in the right place. Imagine you have a bunch of numbers and you want to show them in a way that's easy to understand and exciting. That's what combo charts do. One part of the combo chart can be a bar graph, which is excellent for showing quantities and comparing things. The other part can be a line graph, which is perfect for showing trends and changes over time. Imagine having both of these powers at your disposal in one chart. That's what combo charts do. Now that you know what combo charts are and why they are awesome, let's roll up our sleeves and get practical. We have put together a fantastic set of data to help us understand how to create a combo chart. Imagine you are running a business and you want to see how well you are doing each month. You have got two sets of data, one showing a monthly sales values and other showing a marketing expenses for the same months. These numbers can tell you a lot about your business's performance. Sales values show how much money you are making and marketing expenses show how much you are spending to make that money. Combining these two sets of data into combo charts can help you see if your spending on marketing is paying off by tackling it alongside your sales. The steps to make combo charts are pretty straightforward. You all want to open your dataset and then follow these simple steps. To start, select your data. This means picking out the information you want to use in a combo chart. In our case, it's the monthly sales values and marketing expenses. Now, head up to Insert tab. It's usually right side of your charting software like Excel or Google Sheets, and then click on Recommended Charts. After clicking on Recommended Charts, a window will pop up. In that window, look for a section called All Charts. Now scroll down through All Charts and find Combo and click on it. At the bottom of the window, you will notice a box that lets you choose your chart type and axis type. This is where you can get creative and decide how you want to combo chart looks and function. The chart type section, you will see options for two types of charts you can combine. For our case, we want to select clustered column for sales revenue and line for marketing expenses. This means we will have columns representing our sales values and a line showing our marketing expenses, both on separate axes. Next to marketing expenses, you will see a little box. Tick that box and you are designating marketing expenses as the secondary axis. This is crucial because it ensures that the line representing marketing expenses is on a separate axis, making it easier to compare with the sales value. With these adjustments, your combo chart is ready to reveal insights about your monthly sales and marketing expenses in a way that's both informative and visually appealing. Then now click OK. You might want to adjust the size of your combo chart to make it fit to your report presentation. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners or edges of the chart to resize it. Sometimes those grid lines behind your chart can be a distraction. To get rid of them, create a cleaner look, select the grid lines by clicking on them. With the grid lines selected, press the delete button on your keyboard. The grid lines vanish, leaving a combo chart looking even more professional and easy on the eyes. Now let's tweak those bars to make our chart even more visually appealing. Select the clustered bar on your combo chart. Just click on them and highlight them. With the bars selected, right click and a menu will pop up. Go ahead and choose Format Data Series. In the Format Data Series menu, you will find an option called Gap Width. This controls the spacing between the bars. To remove extra spaces between the bars and making them closer together, set the gap width into 50%. And there you have it. Your bars are now snugly arranged, making your combo chart look even more streamlined and easy to interpret. The small adjustments can make a big difference in the visual impact of your chart. It's all about presenting your data in the most effective way possible. Let's add a pop-up of color to make our combo chart even more colorful. Here is how you can do it. Begin by selecting the bar chart portion of your combo chart. Simply click on it and highlight it. Now, right-click on the highlighted bars and menu will appear. Go ahead and choose Format Data Series. In the Format Data Series menu, find the Fill and Line option. This is where you can choose a new color for your bars. Click on Fill and then select your desired color. You can choose any color that suits your data personally. Next, select the line chart portion of your combo chart. Click on it and highlight it. Again, right-click on the highlighted line and choose Format Data Series. In the Format Data Series menu, go to Fill and Line just like before. This time, select Fill and choose a color for your line chart. Make it vibrant and eye-catching. Your combo chart is now bursting with color, making it not only informative but also visually engaging. Colors can help draw attention to key points in your chart and make your chart more memorable. With these color touches, your combo chart is ready to steal spotlight and tell the dynamic story of your monthly sales and marketing expenses. We are almost there. Now let's put the finishing touch on our combo chart by giving it a clear and informative title. Here is how you can do it. Click on the title of your combo chart. This is usually the text at the top that says something generic like chart title. Once you have clicked on it, you will see that it's become editable. Go ahead and replace the existing title with our new informative title, Monthly Sales Value versus Marketing Expenses for the year 2023, in helping your audience understand the purpose of your chart. Let's add those important axis titles to provide context to your chart. Here is how to do it. Click anywhere on your combo chart and select it. Now go to the Chart Elements button, usually located near your chart. Click on it and open the menu. From the menu, hover your mouse over axis titles. You will see options for primary horizontal, primary vertical, and secondary vertical. Click on primary horizontal to add a title to the bottom axis of your chart. Click on primary vertical to add the title to left side of your chart. Finally, click on secondary vertical to add title to right side of your chart. We are in the final stretch of your combo chart makeover, and it's time to add those personal touches that makes your chart uniquely yours. Let's change the font color and font size. Here is how. Click anywhere on your combo chart to select it and go to Font Group in the Home tab and change font color and font size of the combo chart. With these personal touches, your chart is ready to captivate and convey the narrative of your monthly sales values versus marketing expenses for the year 2023. And there you have it. You have just transformed your data into dynamic, informative, and visually stunning combo chart. Before we wrap things up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on mastering Excel and other data-driven skills. So hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.